3, 4.
Bora tacar fogo no hipster. Oi, meu nome é Maria Júlia e hoje eu acordei. Eu assim, não quero continuar o resto do dia assim, então eu vou tomar um banho. O detalhe, já é meio-dia. Vou levar vocês junto comigo pra, sei lá, ou se você tá tendo um dia ruim, dê a volta por cima. Antes de tomar banho, eu vou arrumar o ambiente que eu estou, porque tá uma bagunça.
My stomach hurts, man. Filling me up with all this negative energy and shit. Like, I don't even know. What's the point? Like, I don't even. You just make me feel like shit sometimes. I think you should start to know that because as soon as you do, you can start to accept that you're the piece of shit. No, fuck you.
Yeah, running, got me gunning. Old school cat, got me stunning. Funny how the rest gon' come in. Funny how you back for the loving I've been. I got one too many tricks up my sleeve. I must need overdose of empathy. My pops and me, more screenshots of me. The streets are free, go ahead and take from me. Feeling right, out of line. Gotta hit my boy Ricky for the whip of time. Probably driven by this number.
Já é 1h. Vamos sair, depois eu volto pro meu momentinho. Enfim.
It's kinda crazy, the kinds of things life throws at you. I never knew I'd feel so safe in your arms. Now you're all I need. It wasn't long before I knew that I fell for you and you had my heart. As fast as the seasons changed, my heart was stolen. Parts of me that were broken found love. And no amount of distance can change how I'm feeling, 'cause I know this is real. I'm so happy that you're mine.
So hot is in the party is over. Eu vim ter essa aqui. Eu vou fazer a carinha. Eu esqueci.
Nothing in this world can make me feel the way that you do. Feels like I'm dancing on moonlight.
Na câmera até que tá ok, mas tá horrível.
Of all the stars at night, none of them can shine as bright as you do. They can't compare to your light. Thousands of miles between, still could.
Tá bom.
Baby, this is a story about me and you.
Acender outro incenso, sim, vocês devem estar se perguntando, Maria Júlia, por quê? Mas é porque agora eu vou meditar um pouco. Vou meditar e eu faço uma meditação guiada que eu vejo no YouTube mesmo. Se vocês quiserem, eu faço um vídeo recomendando os canais. E é isso. Bora tacar fogo num hipster.
And the beauty that we did pursue, and how you changed my life so beautifully, and how you showed me things I'd never seen. Oh baby girl, I want to show you how much you mean to me.